like and subscribe. Donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, we've got something that could be a real contender here, folks. This is from Nissin, Singapore, and this is a mashup between them and Ippudo, and this is their Shiromaru Hakata Tonkotsu Ramen. This could be real good. It's got a sachet on top. Let's make it so. I'm ready to try this. They also have a black garlic tonkotsu. As you may know, actually as you should know, in my global top 10 there is a Ippudo variety. And yeah, I'm very curious how this will be. Very curious. Here we go. Let's see. The sachet stays on top, and it gets 3 minutes. I think it gets 3 minutes. Let me make sure. Yep, 3 minutes. But yeah, today is Wednesday. It's like a big news to me. I didn't realize. It just all of a sudden came to my attention. Wait a second. Dude, today is Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday? I didn't realize that. Now I know. And that's good. I gotta run out to the bus and get my kid off the bus earlier than normal. In like about 35 minutes I gotta be out there. But this is the last one. Technically the one you see tomorrow will be what was supposed to be the third one I was doing, but I screwed up. So the next one will be the Nissin Foods mashup with Irwin's salted egg chips, and they make salted egg instant noodle, and it's that one of the last one I had, and the next one. I think it's gonna be. I'm gonna be hard pressed not to give, like, if this one is super duper 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 good, it's gonna be a triple trifecta of 5 stars today. So I got some flack from somebody who was saying, hey, you're getting lazy, you're giving out too many 5 stars. It's like, not really, because sometimes there's stuff that comes out really great, and I have 3 that are awesome. I'll have one, a different day, I'll have one that gets like 0 stars, then I'll have one that gets 5 stars. I mean, it's just like, it's whatever I'm reviewing, you know? It's not a planned thing, but this could be a good one. We'll see. We'll prepare for a tasting. We've got a little bit left. But yeah, it is officially Wednesday. And this right here will be the 9th one that I've reviewed this week. I've done 3 a day, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So it's good. I'm trying to make room in the living room. Just trying, because I got more coming. I'm really hoping this one shows up like really quick. Oh, look at that! When you use the dealy deal. A lot of the time I only have 1 cup, so the problem there is the fact that I can't just like, I've got to take pictures and scans and stuff, and I don't want to do that at the wrong time. Yeah, anyways. Don't you worry your pretty little head about what the Ramen Raider's got to do, because he's going to do it whether he tells you what he's doing or not. It's all behind the scenes. I actually did a documentary that I'm very proud of about how I review and the history of myself reviewing. I think it's in the description of this video and every other video. I think I put it in there. The how I review and the Ramen Raider documentary. That was a lot of work. I'm pretty happy about that. Looks very milky. I see a lot of stuff and things in here. That looks... Okay. Come and have a look for yourself. So as you can see, very milky. Very milky. There was a guy, a baseball player for the Giants, and his name was Melky Cabrera. And they called him the Milkman. I thought that was great. Until he got busted for performance-enhancing drugs, and he was just like booed out of the organization. Well, I'm ready to try this. The noodle has a nice little bit of collapse to it, I like. Nice looking tonkotsu broth. Very milky. This is one of those tricky ones because I really like tonkotsu and I want to take some good mental notes of this stuff. The noodle is very thin. That is quite good. As far as it being a 5-star, I'm going to have to think about it. I will ruminate. There's this whole thing, but people are like, why don't you say how many stars it gets? And it's just my process is the way my process is. And generally, I have to like go, well, did I like it better than this? Did I like it better than that? Was it like this? Was it like that? I would say that this is definitely up there. It's really quite good. I really like the noodle. I like how the noodle works with the broth. Let's try these. Mushroom. Kikuraje mushroom. It's good. If you have access to it, I recommend it. I will say that immediately. And I wish I had a smaller piece of chashu because that's kind of taking a lot of space up. We'll torch it. I need to put egg on it. Do I have like one of my eggs smaller than the others? I don't know. It's all about figuring out where to put stuff because this is a cup and there isn't a lot of space. So there's some of that. this one. I just received a text message. Beauty. I gotta say, I like those eggs. They cost more, but they're worth it. Look at that yolk. Just look at it. That brings me great happiness. We are going to use a chili crisp. I want to use... You know, I kind of gravitate towards that. Do I want to use chili crisp, but I don't want to use mayo chili? I want to use the mayo. Yeah, let's go with this. I have been neglecting my chili oil. And a little seed, and we're going to call it a day. It's almost Christmas. Think of that. What is it? Almost 4th of July for you. Almost April Fool's Day. That's your next major holiday, I think. Wow. All right, Rotato, do your thing with this sensational bowl of tonkotsu. Well, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is the Nissin Singapore mashup with Irwin salted egg. It's not the spicy version. It's not the mala version, which will be coming up pretty, I'm probably going to get that one ready to do in my trifecta tomorrow. But just the original. And it is sensational. I already did it because I screwed up with water, and I already had water boiling, so yeah. But that'll be the next one you see. And after that, that'll be more. But I'm done for today. But the next one you're going to see is one I did first. So, anyways, I didn't even need to tell you that, but I did. So, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, and go to Singapore. Try the food. I really want to do that. And Japan, and Taiwan, and Malaysia, and Thailand. Yeah, everywhere. Just go. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.